Going to do my first unboxing video. It's going to be this 24 litre compressor from Orazio. So it came from Amazon with a small airline, a few other bits and bobs, and everything that you need basically to get started. Now I chose the 24 litre because I don't have the biggest space in the world. You know, don't get me wrong, it's not tiny, it's a single car garage, UK size, so you know it's a decent size, but I don't want anything too big because I'm out of room as it is. Now, one of the reasons why I thought a compressor would be useful is because I used to be in the motor trade, and because of that I have lots of air tools already. Not necessarily woodworking tools as such, you know, but things like this die grinder, that should work, with some sanding discs. I've got a reversible air drill which I'll be able to use. The impact guns not so much. The air ratchet may come in handy on the odd occasion, but really it's going to be a case of see what I can use and what other bits and pieces that I need. All nicely tucked away in there. Okay, now just to get this out of the box. There is actually another little carrying handle on the back here, so it's very easy to move around, light enough so it's not going to cause any issues. Now, if you think you need them, there are instructions in the manual, or an instruction manual in the box, sorry, but I'm just going to kind of throw this together as it looks like it should go. Now the cable that comes with it isn't very long, so I'm going to have to reroute some extension leads around the garage somewhere. But if we plug it in, Just a very simple push down, off, pull up, and it's on. Okay. Well, that's reached 7 bar, or not far off 100 psi of pressure. I'm not sure what this is supposed to reach, but that seems a decent amount to me. And with the compressor turned off, although you can leave it on while you do this. There we go, connect it up. Connect up the airline. Not going to do too much because it's just going to get dust everywhere. Hopefully, as you can see, that seems to work fine. And even though I turned the compressor off, for some reason it kicked itself back in again, and we're still running at about 90 psi.